escape to this picturesque 2-bed 3-bath home sits on 130 acres of rolling hills and scenic landscapes in North Carolina. With its diverse wildlife habitats, including timber and wetlands, this property offers endless possibilities for outdoor recreation. The farm features a vegetable garden, potting shed, and abundant opportunities for hiking, hunting, and wildlife watching. With its convenient location just 13 miles from Wilson, this property provides the perfect balance of country living and accessibility. Whether you are dreaming of a family compound, hobby farm, or equestrian farm, this land has the potential to become your dream heaven. Please check out video description to contact with the listing agent. Thank you for watching.